I came and looked around Solent University, it seemed really close-knit. The lecturers were really friendly, and even just on the open day and in my interview they were having a joke with me. They just made me feel really comfortable.
There's a lot of really great work experience opportunities at Solent. We've got Solent Creative, Solent Features and Solent Productions, which is really good at getting work, film, photography and all kind of media related jobs. Working to real live briefs, really good to get that CV and that work experience, that showreel going.
The best part I found from the course was the external possibilities, so you could go do events pretty much every week if you wanted to.
I've sat down with my tutors for like an hour before just to go through exactly what needs to be done for the essay or something, and it's just really, really helpful.
The opportunities here are really good because the lecturers themselves are contacts. They've been in film and television, and they also can put you in touch with people that they've had experience with as well. You're looking for example, to doing a studio show, you can talk to one of the lecturers and they can set you up with someone who they've worked with in the past.
Facilities are really great. They're updating every year. Our media facilities are great. There's new equipment all the time and it's kind of keeping up to date with industry standards, so it's really good and kind of preparing us to work in the industry. And all the facilities like the library and all is really handy as well for kind of studying.
If you're passionate about something, they'll push you towards certain work experiences. We have guest lecturers come in, so it allows you to network and meet new people, gives you loads of opportunities.
We have the poster day at the end of our dissertations. We present our final project of the year, which this year was truly amazing. We had multiple different companies like Sky, BBC, White Light, Wimbledon was there. A lot of my friends and I, we got out of poster day and we had jobs by the end of it.
I didn't really want it to be too theory heavy, I didn't want it to be too practical, but I wanted the practical side to sort of complement the other. And Solent University, the way they sort of organise the lectures and the units really stuck out to me.
I would definitely recommend any student to come to Solent. It's a really great environment. It's always, the building is progressing. There's loads of brand new facilities and the tutors and the courses and all are great.
I would 100% recommend Solent University. It's been the best decision I've ever made. I was so on the edge of what university to go to and I have absolutely no regrets.